That's all of them.
Issued a snow squall warning for central Oxford County in western Maine, southern Somerset County in west central Maine, Franklin County in western Maine, southern Coos County in northern New Hampshire, north central Sullivan County in central New Hampshire, Grafton County in northern New Hampshire, northeastern Carroll County in northern New Hampshire, until 7 a.m. At 6:05 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from 25 miles northeast of Bingham to 14 miles west of Jermont, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blow. This includes the following highways: Interstate 89 between mile markers 53 and 60. Interstate 93 between mile markers 87 and 131. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Conway, Berlin, Farmington, Middleton, Lancaster, Bethel, Bethlehem, Lincoln, Skowhegan, Rutherford, Rangeley, Pittsfield, Madison, Jay, Haverhill, Enfield, Dixfield, Franconia, and Kingfield. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents.
Hey, I'm a couple hours away from leaving work.
Service has issued a snow squall warning.
We're under the snow squall warning. Holy crap. I'm right snap down in the middle. These phones should start going off.
Weather Service in Green Maine has issued a snow squall warning for northwestern York County in southwestern Maine, southwestern Oxford, northwestern Cumberland County, northwestern this morning.
XM44 is not involved.
New Hampshire, Carroll County in northern New Hampshire, until 8:15 a.m. At 7:52 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Freiburg to near Meriden to near Newport, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between and 74. Locations impacted include Manchester, Concord, Rochester, Laconia, Conway, Franklin, Princeton, Henniker, Freiburg, Alfred, New London, Naples, Walterboro, Ossipee, Meredith, Northwood, Belfast, Hudson, Barrington, and Maine. Reduce speed and turn on
Wind's picking up out there.
snow squalls. Visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. There is no safe place on the highway when a snow squall is. Visibility and traction are immediately lost in whiteout conditions, making it difficult or impossible to slow down and avoid stopped vehicles. This is No Weather Radio Station WXJ40 broadcasting on a frequency of...
Can't hear them. Why didn't the wireless alert thing go off? Whatever. Alright, GX. Unrecognized warning! Oh, everybody apparently.
southwestern Maine. Wisconsin County in southwestern Maine. Northwestern Lincoln County in south central Maine. Cumberland County in southwestern Maine. Northwestern Saginaw County in south central Maine. Northwestern Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire. Stafford County in central New Hampshire. Southwestern Williamson County.
Yeah, I missed it. What? Are you serious?
Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Travel will become intense. Travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways. Interstate 295 between mile
Oh, it did go off.
and 187 between mile markers 31 and 51. Interstate 89 between mile markers 0 and 8 and between mile markers 10 and 16. Interstate 93 between mile markers 29 and 53. Interstate 95 between mile markers 56 and 116. Locations impacted include Concord, Lewiston, Rochester, Auburn, Brunswick, Augusta, Laconia, Westbrook, Gardner, Bridgeton, Mechanic Falls, Alfred, Sanford, Naples, Thompson, Ossipee, Northwood, Turner, Cumberland, and Gorham. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. Service 4.
Oh, the phone in my room went off. Snow squall warning. Snow squall warning, and then the first time in the history of the weather collection, snow squall warning on there.
Precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total.
Alright. That's that.
Northeastern Stafford County in central New Hampshire until 9:45 a.m. At 8:59 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from 8 miles east of Gardner to near Sanders to Summersworth, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazardous, intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways. Interstate 295 between mile markers 1 and 43. Interstate 95 between mile markers 2 and 61. Locations impacted include Portland, South Portland, Biddeford, Brunswick, Westbrook, Surrey, Bath, Alfred, Minnesota, Sanford, Thompson, Wisconsin, Cumberland, Sock Hill, Gorham, Falmouth, Hannibal, Cape Elizabeth, Madison, and Freeport. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with the dangerous snow fall. Be alert for second whiteout conditions.